Continuing with our chapter rectification of error, today I will tell you the correct method of detecting and rectifying the errors, detecting mistakes, and then
सर
journal
नया
entry
चैप्टर है
to rectify it. Who is this?
नया चैप्टर है
Turn on your cameras. Who is asking? This is chapter number 19, rectification of errors. If your camera is off, I will remove you from the class immediately. Rectification of error. Whenever there are errors in recording a transaction, it needs to be rectified. Already two classes on rectification of errors are over. Watch those videos so that you can understand what is going on. Suppose there is a mistake. Illustration number 6. We have reached to illustration number 6, question number 6 of rectification. $2,000 paid for furniture purchased has been debited to purchase account. 2,000 rupees paid for the purchase of furniture. Paid for the purchase of furniture have been debited to purchase account. Harshpant, what is the journal entry for purchase of furniture for cash? What is the journal entry for purchase of furniture for cash? Bilal. Yes, Prince. Prince Rotela.
परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश
Purchase of furniture, I'm asking.
फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश
Furniture account debit to cash account. This is the correct journal entry for purchase of furniture for cash. But question में कह रहे हैं the entry is done wrong. Purchase of furniture has been debited to purchase account. So you see what I am doing here. Now you see here how you will do the rectification. This is the exact process of doing rectification of error. First of all, pass the wrong entry. Correct? This is the wrong entry which is passed by the accountant. Purchase account debit to cash account. And the correct entry is what is told by Prince. It is furniture, no? Furniture. Correct entry is furniture account debit to cash account. Is it clear? This is the wrong entry which we have passed. This is the correct entry which should have been passed. This is the correct entry. This is the wrong entry. But in both the entries, The second account is correct. To cash, you see. Right? So this is the wrong entry. And in this wrong entry, what is wrong? Purchase account debit is wrong. Purchase account debit is wrong. So what is wrong will be reversed. What is wrong will be reversed in rectifying entry. What is wrong will be reversed in rectifying entry. Purchase account debit will now be credited in rectifying entry. It will become to purchase account. And what we have not done, the correct entry we had not done. So correct entry we will write furniture account this becomes our rectifying entry. This becomes our rectifying entry. Furniture account debit to purchase account. How we have done? जो एंट्री करेक्ट है उस एंट्री का करेक्ट वाला यहां लिख दिया और जो एंट्री रॉन्ग है रॉन्ग एंट्री में जो अकाउंट आपने गलत डेबिट कर दिया था परचेज अकाउंट वाज डेबिटेड रॉन्गली परचेज अकाउंट वाज डेबिटेड रॉन्गली देयरफॉर this purchase account is credited in the rectifying entry. This purchase account is credited in the rectifying entry. And because we have not debited furniture, so we have debited furniture account. Cash account is already credited. While we did the wrong entry, cash account was already credited. So no need to credit cash account again. It is called rectification. First, we detected the error. For that, you also should also know what is the wrong journal entry which is passed. The wrong journal entry passed is this one. इसमें wrong क्या है? This one. This one is wrong. This is wrong. Purchase account debit is wrong. So we have reversed it. We have credited it. And furniture account debit जो कि हमने नहीं किया which should have been done. The correct entry is furniture account debit. So we have debited furniture account. And the final entry is this one. This one you will do in the exam. This one. Rectifying entry. We will not do wrong entry. We will not do this correct entry. This is only for your understanding. This is only a method I am telling you. Whatever wrong is done, you have to reverse it. Whatever account is debited wrong, you have to credit it. If an account is credited wrongly, you have to debit it. Reverse what is done wrong. And whatever is not done, what is correct and not passed, you have to pass that. Take another example. Next entry. 3,000 paid to Mohanlal for salary. 3,000 paid to Mohanlal for salary were debited to his personal account. 3,000 paid to Mohanlal for salary. Priya, tell the journal entry. 3,000 rupees paid to Mohanlal for salary. What is the journal entry? Priya Sharma. What will be the journal entry? To salary paid to Mohanlal. 3,000 rupees. Yes. You are not audible. Your voice did not reach. No. Rini. Arjun,
Sir, salary account debit to Mohanlal 3000.
सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू मोहनलाल, ये जनरल एंट्री है फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ सैलरी टू मोहनलाल, विच इज रॉन्ग. अर्जुन, इट इज रॉन्ग एंट्री. एनीवन एल्स?
Sir, salary account debit to cash account.
Correct. Who is this?
Sir, Anshika Arora.
Good. Keep your
Anshika
cameras
Arora.
on. Anshika Arora. Salary account debit to cash account is the correct journal entry. Salary account debit to cash account is the correct journal entry. So we write in the correct one. Salary ये है करेक्ट जनरल एंट्री ऑफ पेमेंट ऑफ सैलरी टू मोहनलाल. बट मिस्टेक क्या हुई है? मिस्टेक हुई है
Mohanlal account debit to cash.
मोहनलाल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. अकाउंटेंट ने ये मिस्टेक कर दी है. ही हैज रिटन दिस जनरल एंट्री और होनी चाहिए थी ये. बट द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड हेयर इज, जो रॉन्ग एंट्री की है अकाउंटेंट ने, उसमें कैश सही है, उसमें कैश इज करेक्ट. तो जब हम दोबारा से एंट्री करेंगे रेक्टिफाइंग एंट्री, उसमें कैश को क्रेडिट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इवन इन द रॉन्ग एंट्री कैश अकाउंट इज करेक्टली क्रेडिटेड. रॉन्ग क्या हुआ है उसमें? रॉन्ग हुआ है मोहनलाल अकाउंट डेबिट. सो वी विल क्रेडिट मोहनलाल अकाउंट नाउ. हमने मोहनलाल को क्रेडिट कर दिया, करेक्ट कर दिया. जो मिस्टेक हुई थी, वी हैड डेबिटेड मोहनलाल्स अकाउंट. बाय क्रेडिटिंग मोहनलाल्स अकाउंट वी आर रिमूविंग हिम फ्रॉम आवर बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट. और क्या एंट्री हमने नहीं की थी? सैलरी को डेबिट नहीं किया था, सैलरी की जगह मोहनलाल को डेबिट किया था. तो अब करेक्ट एंट्री, रेक्टिफाइंग एंट्री, करेक्ट नहीं रेक्टिफाइंग एंट्री में वी विल डेबिट सैलरी अकाउंट. और ये हो गई हमारी रेक्टिफाइड एंट्री विच यू विल शो इन द एग्जाम. जनरल एंट्री फॉर wrongly debiting Mohanlal's account for payment of salary is this one. This one and this one I am writing for your understanding to explain you. Whatever is wrong will be reversed. Whatever is wrong, two steps will be there. Whatever is wrongly debited, you will credit it. Whatever is wrongly credited, you will debit it while rectifying. And what is not done, the correct entry, whatever account is not debited or credited will be debited or credited in the rectifying entry. This should be very, very clear to all of you. This point should be clear, what is to be debited and what is to be credited. फिर से सुन लीजिए ध्यान से. Whatever account is wrongly debited or credited will be reversed. Note down somewhere, don't sit idle. Whatever account is wrongly debited or credited, wrongly debited or wrongly credited will be reversed. रॉन्गली डेबिट को आप क्रेडिट कर देंगे, रॉन्गली क्रेडिटेड अकाउंट को डेबिट कर देंगे. एंड द करेक्ट एंट्री, द करेक्ट अकाउंट विच इज नॉट डेबिटेड और क्रेडिटेड will be debited or credited in the rectifying entry. In the rectifying entry, correct one will be debited or credited. Wrong one will be reversed. Wrong account will be reversed. If it is wrongly debited, it will be credited. If it is wrongly credited, it will be debited. And the very important point is, if you do not know journal entry, please don't do this chapter. First, learn journal entry well. All the entries should be clear. All the transactions, rules of journals should be crystal clear to you if you want to do this chapter. This chapter requires a lot of practice. This chapter requires a lot of understanding of the rules of journal, because you have to identify, you have to detect the error by yourself. It is given in the statement, in the transaction, but you have to detect it by yourself. So first of all, you have to write the wrong entry. Wrong entry is also a journal entry. So you have to write it first. If you write wrong journal entry and that is also wrong, it cannot be rectified. जैसे कि अभी अर्जुन ने बताई थी, वो करेक्ट एंट्री ही गलत बता रहे हैं. It can never be rectified. The steps to be followed are, first you should know, you should detect, identify the wrong journal entry. तब आपको पता चल जाएगा कि जो उसमें wrong है, whatever is wrong in the journal entry is to be reversed. Again you see, Tamanna, look here. In wrong journal entry, what is wrong? Mohanlal account debit. So I have credited it. As per the rule I am telling you, whatever is wrong, that account will be reversed. And the correct one will be written as it is. Salary account debit, here also salary account debit. We will not change it. We will not reverse it, because it was not written. It was omitted. In place of that particular account, some other account was debited or credited. Therefore, that particular account you will write as it is. And Anurag, why we have not mentioned cash account? We have not mentioned cash account because cash is already credited while doing the wrong entry. जब accountant ने wrong entry की, even in that cash account is already credited. Once the account is already done, entry is already made, we need not do it again. Otherwise, it will be twice credited. It will be credited twice. So cash is already done. ये entry वैसे wrong है, but cash account is credited correctly in the wrong entry also. Therefore, we are not doing it here. I hope it is clear to you. और लेते हैं transaction. Let us take some more to understand the concept better. Principal, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
The concept should be clear. Bilal, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Harspant?
Yes, sir.
The next transaction. Rupees 500 paid for proprietor's medical bill were debited to sundry debtors account, sundry expenses account, sorry. Rupees 500 paid for proprietor's medical bill, which is a personal expense. Proprietor's medical bill, which is a personal expense, What should be the journal entry for it? Payment of
Drawing
500
drawing to
rupees.
cash.
Payment of 500 rupees for proprietor's medical bill. The correct journal entry will be
Drawing account debit to cash.
Drawing to cash.
very good. Drawings account debit to cash account. Drawings account debit to cash account is the correct journal entry. But it is wrongly entered in sundry expenses account. Priya Sharma, what will be the entry? Wrong entry.
Sir, please pardon.
What will be the wrong entry which is done in this case? ये तो correct entry है. Drawings account debit to cash. तो wrong entry क्या हुई है?
Cash.
What is the wrong entry?
Sundry expense.
Yeah, please speak.
Sundry
Sundry
expenses
expense
account debit to cash.
Very good. Sundry expense sundry expenses account debit to cash account. This is the mistake. ये अकाउंट जो है गलत डेबिट हो गया है. This account has been debited wrongly and I have told you now 3 or 4 times the rule is to rectify a mistake, reverse the account again. Last time I am telling now to sundry expense account. And which account will be debited?
So drawings account.
Very good. Drawings account, because it was not debited and in place of drawings we have debited sundry expense account. So we have reversed the account. We have credited sundry expenses account and debited drawings account which was not debited, omitted, and we are not crediting cash account because it is already credited. Cash account is already credited even in the wrong entry. When the wrong entry was passed, sundry expense account debit to cash, cash account was credited. Therefore, there is no need to credit it again. Only what was wrongly debited is corrected by crediting it, and what was not debited, drawing account, by debiting it. These are the question number 6, question number 7, and question number 8. Can be done two-sided errors. These can be done like this. और अगर पीछे की तरफ आइए आप, yesterday we had done take one more illustration number 4. In question number 4, In question number 4, credit sales to Arun 7,000 rupees were recorded in purchase book. Credit sales to Arun 7,000 rupees were recorded in purchase book. Credit sales to Arun. What is the journal entry? Harsh Pant. Harsh will speak.
Sir, to sales account debit to purchase account.
Repeat.
Sir, to sales account debit to purchase account.
टू सेल्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज अकाउंट. कहां से सीखा बेटा ये? टू सेल्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज अकाउंट. Which account is debited in this? Which account have you debited? You are crediting both the accounts in the air. Tamanna, what is the correct journal entry for credit sales to Arun 7,000 rupees? Tamanna.
Sir, Arun's account debit to sales account.
Arun's account debit to sales account. This is the correct journal entry for credit sales to Arun. Which is not done. Which is not done. Instead of passing this entry, the accountant has considered it as purchase. So he has passed it in the purchase book. In the purchase book, he has passed this entry. Purchase account is debited. Because this entry is passed in the purchase book, so wrongly purchase account is debited. And because purchase account is debited wrongly, now in the rectification principle, what should be done? What is wrong?
Sir, Arun's account debit to purchase account.
What is wrong? First you tell me this.
To sales account.
That is why I am saying join the classes regularly and try to understand the concept. अभी ये लाइन से समझाते हुए आ रहे हैं ऊपर से नीचे को 3 times. 3 transactions I have taken and I have told you whenever an account is debited or credited wrongly, it should be reversed. Question क्या है? Question को understand करो पहले. Which account is wrong here?
Purchase account.
So what did I tell you? Purchase account is debited wrongly, so it should be now credited. जो अकाउंट गलत है उसको आपको रिवर्स करना है. उसको आपको रिवर्स करना है. ये तो बात समझ में आ गई कि नहीं आई अभी?
Yes, sir.
रिवर्स करना है. परचेज अकाउंट को यहां पर रिवर्स करिए रेक्टिफाइंग एंट्री में. इट विल बिकम टू परचेज अकाउंट. और सही एंट्री क्या है? Which is not done. So what is not done is to be passed in the rectifying entry. Arun's account debit to sales account. Arun's account debit to sale. ये दोनों एंट्री जो है करेक्ट है ना? Whatever is correct is to be copied as it is. Whatever is correct is to be copied as it is. Arun's account debit to sales account. Both the accounts were not debited or credited. तो हमने उसको दोनों को यहां पर लिख दिया. Arun account debit to sale account. What was wrong? Purchase account debit. What was wrong? Purchase account debit. It is reversed. It is reversed here to purchase account. The account is credited. Are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the exact procedure I have told you to rectify a mistake. The first step in rectification will be identification of the error or detection of the error. Once the error is identified, first step is to identify the error. That is why I am asking you the wrong entry first. I am asking you the wrong entry first. This is on. Yes. See how clear it is now. Okay. So these three, wrong entry, then the correct one, and then the rectified one here. The rectified entry. All these three entries, whatever is wrong is reversed and whatever is correct is copied as it is in the rectified entry. Up to question number 10, you will be able to solve using this concept. In case of any problem, refer to these examples and refer to the arrows. Wrong one reversed and correct one as it is. I hope it is clear to all. In case of problem, ask in the next class. Update your work, submit your notebooks, then only you will be getting the admit card ID. And admit card ID will be compulsory, without which you will not be able to do your exam. Last date for submitting the notebooks is 2nd of December. And on 5th of December, you can take back your notebooks as well as the answer sheet signed by the teacher. Thank you. God bless all of you.